That's pretty good. You like English tea? This Earl Grey from Bigelow is pretty good. It's got a lot of flavor. Anyway, been a while since I made a video, so I decided to get the GoPro out and make a video. I was trying to decide what to do a video on, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the Park and Move motorcycle dolly. It's designed for motorcycles that have a center stand. So let's head out to the garage and get a closer look. Where is this thing? There it is. The Park and Move. Well, I'm going to put it on this table so we can get a little closer look to it. Okay, now we got a little close up. This is the Park and Move motorcycle dolly, sold by legalspeeding.com. It's even got the phone number down there. And this thing is very well made. It is solid steel and it is heavy. You can do curls with this thing. It's heavy. You see it's got these little caster wheels on the bottom, how they all rotate around. And it's got a little screw right here that helps to lock these in place, and we'll get to that here shortly. So that's it. Now we're going to set the motorcycle up, and I'm going to show you how to put it on there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to actually put this motorcycle on this dolly. First thing I want to do is line it up right here, as close as we can. Just going to leave that right there. Let's go on the other side. Now we're going to line these up. See your center stand right here? See how they're curved? Well, that helps it to rock up on the center stand. And the same thing is going to happen here, but you'll notice the elevations is just a little bit higher. So you got to put a little more meat into it when you put it up on this little dolly. It's not much, but it's certainly noticeable. So what I like to do is line it up, somewhere about there. A little further back. Remember, when this thing rocks, once you put it up on the stand, it's going to roll back a little bit. So I like to line it up in the front part up here. Probably about right there. Yeah. Pull it over just a little bit. I think that'll work. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it up on the center stand and show you what it's going to look like. Looks good. We got to level it up. There we go. And it's kind of off to the back a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, now that it's on there, I always put the side stand up. That's what it's going to look like. All right, let me put this camera right here, and we'll move it around a little bit to show you how it works. Just go around in a circle. So it's right now the steering wheel is locked, and as long as you go out at a 90-degree angle, you can just go around in a circle because the front wheel will stay right where it is. But if you don't want to do it that way, you could always unlock the wheel like this And you can move it around. Right. Get the camera cut. Then you can simply steer it like this. Now let's say you want to spin it around by just using the dolly. What you're going to do, I'm glad I have these shelves. What you're going to do is take your arms and you're going to put them right here. And you're going to drop your weight just a little bit and the front tire will come up. And you can just spin it around like this. Okay, so now, how are we going to take the motorcycle off the dolly? Well, there's two different ways you can do this. One of them is a method I've never tried before because I don't like it. And that entails putting your foot right here on the dolly and you're going to step down on it and you're going to put pressure on it to hold it in place. And then you're going to grab your motorcycle and you're going to pull it forward off the dolly. I don't like that because you're not on it, you don't have much control. I've never done it the way and I never will. Now, the method I prefer is to come down here and we're going to lock. Let's move these around so we can see all the little. I'm going to lock all these wheels in place. Let's go on the other side and lock the other ones. You may need to move it just a little bit so the little screws will show. Now, these are locked in place. Once you have those little caster wheels locked, all you have to do is just jump on your motorcycle and ride it forward with your weight, just like if it was on the regular center stand. So it's going to look like this. So let's talk about some of the reasons or benefits why you might want to have a park and move motorcycle dolly for your center stand motorcycle. Well, let's say you live up north in North Dakota or Minnesota or Alaska or maybe even Canada. You know, they get a lot of snow up there, a lot of snow and ice. And in the wintertime, it might be a month before you can go riding. Well, at least you could put your motorcycle up on this dolly and you can move it around so you can get the other stuff in your garage. Now, interestingly, I only use this in the summertime. I very rarely use it here in the wintertime in Northwest Arkansas. We do get snow and ice, but not enough to warrant putting it on this little stand. So in the summertime, I will put it on the dolly. At least I can get to the lawnmower, or you know, I got the weed eater and the leaf blower, or sometimes I need to come up here and get the ladder, and or maybe go canoeing. And here's the attic. So having it on the dolly is just an easier and more convenient way just to move your motorcycle out of the way so you can get the other stuff. I think it's a neat little gadget, and I'm happy I bought it. I certainly use it. So if you look in this description box below, you'll find a link to the website, and you go check out their products and give them a call and order yours today. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day and ride safe. You see it's got 4 caster wheels down here, and this little